Welcome back to Fordee TV. I'm your host, Fordee. So I've gotten addicted to spearfishing, and I thought I'd make some instructional videos just because I don't think there's a really good resource on how to learn to spearfish unless you take a class. Not that I'm an expert, but hey. So I showed two shots in this video. This is not really an instructional, it's just me fishing today. The first shot I missed, I thought it would be interesting to see, well, partially see how you reload the spear. You have to pull the shooting line and the spear back through the rubbers so they don't get tangled on the next shot. All this while underwater, yeah. Anyway, it's not as bad as it sounds, except for when things get like snagged. For example, if you get a fish and it knots up the line or it wraps it around different things, then it's such a pain in the ass to do this underwater, right? You'll notice I'm at the surface here. I'm using a really horrible mount for the GoPro. It's on the goggles, and unfortunately, it's great to look down. But if I don't point it. If I point it all the way down, you don't see too much of what I'm doing, but if I point it up any more forward, then it goes out of the water too much when I'm at the surface. And I'm going to have to figure out a better solution for recording while in the water, because this is definitely not it. I've tried the wrist mount. That also has its issues. I need to find a good gun mount. That would probably be better. But it won't see everything I see because you turn your head a lot, right? I'm loading these rubbers without a wetsuit and without a chest protector. Man, it does something to your chest. Anyways, we'll get back more into that. I figured because there's not a really good resource for how to learn this from start to, well, I don't know about finish because I'm definitely not an expert. But I figure, yeah, why not make some videos, because I totally enjoy doing this. I'm about to take a shot where I actually connect. I hit a mullet. I think he's like 1.5 feet or a little under 1.5 feet or 45 centimeters, somewhere around there. And boom, right there. And these fish are really good fried up. I don't show you the part where I stick the knife in his head. Maybe that's a little gruesome. But anyways, if you're into spearfishing or you'd like to learn, check out these videos or stay tuned, and I'll do some instructionals. What gear do you need, etc., etc. All right, guys, till next time, I'm out.